Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking in. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. Hey, happy Friday. Happy Friday, friends. Just wanted to come back with another job lead, guys. AT&T is currently hiring, guys. You can come to AT&T Jobs. I will post the link in the description of this video so you can come and click on the jobs. I normally type and look for remote opportunities. It says keep the wheels of government turning 24/7 in a government support role. You'll join a trusted team of experts who connect over 1,200 different agencies to service security and mobility. Your work will help make the networks that our country runs on more protected, agile, and effective. So, guys, I was clicking through here and I was looking for remote opportunities that were open. Say, for instance, if we wanted to come out of the remote opportunities, just to click search jobs, it will just give us an open, like it was 1,521 jobs found. And if we were to just stroll through here or scroll through here, we'll be able to find all types of different jobs, from categories to country to state to city to AT&T company, security clearance, schedule, language, career areas. So I was just typing in remote, and these were the remote jobs were pretty much coming up. 21 jobs are found for remote jobs. So they have Jackson, Mississippi. So this is worldwide, from Tennessee to Georgia to Washington to Virginia to Maryland to Texas, to Virginia. And then it says show all. And then you click on show all. And then this you will see also in Texas and Virginia, Maryland, Wisconsin. So I was just clicking through here, guys, and I was just clicking through to see what we can find. So if we go to actual choose your adventure career, we'll customize the content and jobs you'll see, from call center to corporate to government support to global to retail to sales to students, to technician and technology. And then you would submit if that was something that you were looking for. And it says accelerate. Join us in our pursuit to transform lives through connectivity. And so, guys, you can just come click on here if you want to click on careers. As you can see, they have opportunities that are available, guys. So I'm super excited to whoever gets one of these AT&T roles, guys. Sending lots of love, hugs, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day, guys. You are amazing. Most importantly, making an amazing day for someone else. I appreciate you always stopping by. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I love you all so much, and I truly, sincerely appreciate you so much, guys. See you in the next video. Bye for now, friends.